Shakespeare Regional Park is a nature park in the Auckland region of New Zealand. It's located at the tip of Whangaparo Peninsula and is named after the Shakespeare family, who first came onto the land when Sir Robert Hamilton purchased 1,392 acres on behalf of his grandson, Robert Shakespeare, in 1883. Okay, so we've got the drone following me at the moment, and we're on the external mic, so I'm going to give you a view of what Shakespeare Park looks like at the beach. You've got a few people hanging around, obviously, which is not so cool. So this is direction tracking. So we came down to Shakespeare Park today on the Harley Softail street bob. Beautiful day here, obviously, in Auckland, and we're also testing out the little DJI Neo for the first time with the external microphones, and hoping that that's all working. should be. So far, the little Neo is working well. Going where I'm supposed to be going. Keeping out of the way of trees, of course. And yeah, even if it does hit a tree, they're pretty good as far as resilience goes. So this is the Harley that we were talking about. As you can see, she's a beautiful little bike, eh? So this is the Harley motorcycle that I bought. It's only a small one. And yes, the ranger's there. A little bit worried about the drone. And yeah, so this is the Harley. So by this stage of the game, I was talking so much gibberish because I was concentrating on what the drone was doing. First time I'm flying it in this follow mode. So forgive me for that, but yeah, we had a little bit of fun with the rangers, walking around with the DJI Neo following me around, and I was trying to explain to them what it was all about and have a bit of fun with it. Okay, let's start our ride home.